All right, so now we whisked everything up. We're gonna take this over to the machine and pour it in. Just like always, you wanna make sure everything's closed. Come up top and pour it in right up here. So we're pouring it into the fill mouth here. We've got a large fill mouth. And then we want to get all the flavor off the sides here.
You know, the thing about that, it's not just like the flavor. It's that extra ice cream, that's like 2 cups of ice cream. You're selling it for $4.95, $5.95. There's $8, $9, $10 of ice cream.
Yeah, you don't want to just throw away all your profit. Okay. I'm going to set the timer for about 8 minutes. Turn on our dasher. Flip the compressor on and start the top. Now on this model, it's our V12V, so it's the viscosity meter. The benefit of the viscosity meter is if you go up, control speed of the motor about 230, as far down as 150. We're going to go right in the middle, about 180. So this is good if you're doing multiple different things, gelato, specialty flavor ice creams, any ices. Really gives you control of the overrun or the speed of the motor when you're extracting your flavor.